Hello, I'm Zoe Baker with Leather Hide Store, and today you'll be learning how to order leather like a pro.
Step 1. Understand how leather is sold. Upholstery leather comes from cowhides that are left over from meat production. The cowhides are sent to leather tanneries where they process the full cowhide into beautiful finished upholstery leather. Our upholstery leather is sold as whole hides, half hides, and we even offer partial hides called remnants for smaller projects. Step 2. Decide what type of upholstery leather is right for you. Most upholstery leather is made with pigments that are consistent in color and have a durable, protective finish. These pigmented leathers can be made in single-tone, multi-tone, or even a distressed look. Pigmented leathers will give you the same rich look year after year. However, if you are seeking a vintage look with leather that will change and patina over time, you will need an aniline-dyed leather. Aniline-dyed leathers typically have a wax-based finish that will mark and age with use, but is beautifully restored with regular conditioning. Our restoration and restoration distress lines are aniline-dyed. Remember, both pigmented and aniline leathers are equally durable, they are just made to achieve a different look. Step 3. Order your samples. We offer samples of all of our leathers because this is the best way to determine what leather is right for you. Just click the blue Order Sample button by any product, complete your order, and in about a week or less you will have your samples. Step 4. Determine how much leather you will need. We encourage customers to consult with an upholsterer, but we also have a great reupholstery guide to get you started. Go to our leather buying guide and select Reupholstery Guide. This guide includes estimates in square feet, which is how leather is sold. Step 5. Find an upholsterer. Upholsterers with good reputations are typically easy to find. However, make sure your upholsterer works with leather and not just fabric. Also, confirm your upholsterer can give you a price for just the labor, as you will be bringing your own material. Most upholsterers do, but it is important to ask. Once you go in and meet with the upholsterer, you can ask for an estimate on how many square feet of leather your project requires.
With your samples and these simple steps, you're now ready to order leather like a pro. All of our leathers are available to order online, but if you have any additional questions or need help ordering, feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. Thanks for watching.